Hey guys, just want to show you probably the best lot size calculator out there. So you're on your MT5 or MT4, hit the B button. This pops up here. You can drag and drop your stop loss lines and your take profit lines wherever you want to have it. All your info is over here on the left. You can adjust your risk to reward or your risk. You can adjust lot size. Here you can set it for market order, or you can adjust for, or you can set your for a limit order. And when you're all done and you want to place that order, you can click here, or you can just press the X button and it places them. So super simple. If you want to go for sell, just press sell wherever you want, and this will pop up again. Move your lines again, or if you want a market order, you just click that button. And yeah, simple stuff. Really nice to use. Here's some of the settings for it. Initial risk percentage, default TP ratio, change the colors a bit. Yeah, really nice to use, really nice to use. It also comes with some script settings so you can adjust all your charts at the same time using changes the time, or it changes your templates like all at once, just like with one click. So really nice to use, really powerful.